Hey everybody, this is Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about tofu. Tofu is nothing more than soy milk that has been coagulated and pressed into blocks. Most of the time when you see tofu in a grocery store, it's gonna look something like this. These days, you're finding ones that already have the moisture removed, but sometimes you'll find them floating in a bunch of liquid. Lots of times recipes will say the specific type of tofu that they want you to use, whether it's medium, firm, extra firm, but what does that mean? Tofu often ranges everywhere from silken, which is super soft and ideal for sauces and gravies, even things like peanut butter pie and chocolate mousse, to medium tofu. If you like miso soup, that'll often be the kind, the little cubes floating in your soup. Then you've got firm, super firm, extra firm. And those are the ones that can handle lots of frying, lots of manipulation. They can be really crispy on the outside, and they can basically take on the texture of a lot of other animal-based proteins. Let's say you're gonna make something and you need to pan fry some tofu. Well, what do you do? What do you do with this block? So I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you should do is get this out of its package. So I'm gonna cut this in 1/2-inch cubes. All right, so one of the first things that you need to have ready is some clean paper towels, or you can use like a clean kitchen towel. So what we need to do is get as much moisture out of this tofu as possible. And these paper towels are really gonna help pull that out. Take another wad of towels. We're gonna put it down. I like to just press it firmly. You can already see how much moisture is coming out. And I just put another plate on top. So we're gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. Our tofu is ready to go. This is ready for baking or frying or basically whatever you'd like to do with it. And if you stick around, I think you'll maybe see what we're gonna do with it. Much more easy to cook. No.